welcome back to my channel. After waiting so long for this, it has finally come. Black Panther Wakanda Forever is in theaters and I am so excited to see this movie. Black Panther is one of my favorite MCU movies of all time. The costumes, the music, the acting, it's just such an overall great film and I am like beyond excited to see this next one. I might cry, we don't know. Regardless, I am excited. So to celebrate the release of Black Panther Wakanda Forever and pay tribute to T'Challa, Black Panther himself, Chadwick Boseman, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I decorated a cake inspired by his vibranium suit. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button so you're up to date on the newest video. So let's put on our chef's coats and let's get baking.
To make the Black Panther inspired cake, I baked 3 layers of my chocolate cake recipe. I added some black food coloring so the cake would match the color of the suit. Then I leveled, stacked, and filled each layer with vanilla buttercream dyed purple to represent the vibranium when it gathers kinetic energy. I dirty iced the cake, then placed it in the fridge to chill. While the cake was in the fridge, I rolled out black fondant and cut it to the height and length I needed in order to wrap it around the cake. The measurements ended up being around 8.5 inches tall and about 25 inches long. Before placing the fondant onto the cake, I grabbed a piece of a non-slip pantry mat and rolled and pressed it into the fondant so it would reveal a fabric-like texture. Next, I rolled up the fondant, grabbed the cake, and gently applied the textured fondant around the side of the cake. I carefully smoothed everything so the fondant didn't buckle or crack, and cut any excess off. If you have any empty space like me, not to worry. Simply roll out another piece of textured fondant and trim it to the appropriate size. We're going to add some details later so the lines will work with the design of the cake. Now let's start adding in the details. I rolled out a long strip of white fondant and cut it until it was about 1/2 inch wide. Using some water as an adhesive, I carefully draped the fondant to the front half of the cake and did any touch-ups if needed. This will be the collar part of the iconic necklace. With one of my cake decorating tools, I traced in the seams that are shown on the suit.
Don't shed no tear. No woman, no cry. Good friends we have, and good friends we've lost. Along the way, in this great future.
I made some gray fondant and rolled and cut it to make the shapes that are underneath the collar of the necklace. I placed them onto the cake, touch up any of the edges, and added in some details using another one of my cake decorating tools. Now it's time to make the teeth of the necklace. I rolled and shaped 7 pieces of white fondant into 3D spears. I made the middle one slightly bigger since that is how it appears on the suit. Once they were all complete, I added some water to the backs of them and placed them along the collar and between the gray pieces. I went back with the cake decorating tool from before and traced around the cake to add more details and to make the long strip part of the suit's design. For the top of the cake, I rolled out another piece of black fondant and placed it on top of the cake. I laid a stencil with the phrase Wakanda Forever in the Wakandan alphabet and traced out the letters. With a small brush, I took some purple luster dust and painted over the letters. Then I painted the English translation below each letter. I painted the necklace with some light silver luster dust and dusted other parts of the cake until I was satisfied. And that's how I decorated a cake inspired by T'Challa's Black Panther suit in celebration of Black Panther Wakanda Forever and to pay tribute to Chadwick Boseman.
Don't shed no tears. No woman, no cry. Good friends we have and good friends we've lost along the way. In this great future, you can't forget your past.
And that is it. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button so you're up to date on the newest video. Also share this video with your friends and family and tell them to subscribe as well. It's totally free to subscribe and we have a lot of fun on this channel. I had an absolute blast making and decorating this cake. The details, the textures, it came out terrific. If anyone recreates this Black Panther cake or any other desserts I've made on this channel, please DM me at this Instagram account to get an awesome shout out. I would love to see your creations. Hope everyone is staying safe and well, enjoy the movie, and have a great day. Wakanda Forever.